Less than 24 hours left for the mammoth NRC exercise to be completed here in Assam. And wait for more than 5 years. And after the publication of the first draft, the complete draft will be published tomorrow at 10 a.m. So today we are going to talk with the state coordinator, Mr. Prateek Hajela, who would be further telling us how the process happens, sir. Finally, the day has come. The draft will be published.
Yes, the complete draft will be published tomorrow. It's something which we have accomplished over a very long period of 3.5 years. We started the process when we rolled out amongst the public. It was rolled out in February 28th, 2015, with the publication of the legacy data, the digitized legacy data. Now, we are going to say that we have completed our bit of verification for all the 3.29 crore people, and we are coming out of the first cut, the draft, tomorrow. Thereafter, we'll engage again with the public, and they will have all the opportunity to carry out corrections in whatever draft that we have published. Those corrections can be in the form of exclusions which should not have happened, inclusions which should not have happened, or even corrections in spellings or in any other particulars like gender, age, etc. So the law itself provides for these corrections, and then after disposal of these claims, objections and corrections only will the NRC process reach its finality. So tomorrow whatever is going to come out is not the finality. It is a very important event, the first cut, the draft, and thereafter we again engage with the public. People who do not find their names, they have the chance to reapply. Tomorrow is a very important event, but it is a draft. It is not final.
So there are a lot of people who are fearing, genuine citizens, that their names will not get included, and plus there are political as well as non-political forces, a lobby that is playing, giving a religious color to this entire NRC process. Where a few months back there was an online campaign that also started regarding, to stop the NRC process. What do you have to say about those things happening?
See, firstly, there is no question of religion involved here. It's not about religion. It's about a cutoff date. It's about 24th March 1971. Whosoever has come before that or their descendants will be in, and those who have come after that will not be in. Now, since the draft itself recognizes that there is a legal process for filing of claims, objections, so it is possible that some genuine Indian citizens may get left out of the complete draft. But then they have another opportunity to prove that they are genuine Indian citizens, and we'll engage with them, provide them with all the opportunity that is required to be given, so that when we publish the final NRC, we can safely say that, well, we haven't left out any genuine Indian citizen, while at the same point of time, we also did not include any ineligible person.
So what is the time frame that the people will be allowed to prove their citizenship after the complete draft?
See, as of now, we can give the time frame for submission of the claims and objections. That will be from 30th of August till 28th of September. People would want to know the reasons why they have not been included in the NRC. Those reasons they'll get to know from 7th of August onwards. This they will have to get individually, because we are not publishing their list, keeping in mind their privacy. We are not informing the rest of the world who all are not included and what are the reasons because of which they have not been included. At this point of time, it's about claim and objection. It's about draft. We have not yet reached the finality. In fact, even after the final NRC, there is an appeal to the foreigners tribunals, and nobody can be declared a foreigner except by a judicial pronouncement. So there are safeguards which are there. As of now, let's concentrate on the draft, and we should not mix up the terms draft and final. The final NRC is the final outcome of whatever verification process that we have carried out, even after engaging the public and having heard their claims and objections. As of now, we are in the draft stage, so let's concentrate on this, and as we move on further, maybe we will be able to address further concerns. But we are quite confident that since the law itself has provided for all the checks and balances, eventually when we publish the final NRC, we won't miss out on any genuine Indian citizen.
So final question, after a month delay, finally the draft is coming out. So what were the help that you got from the state and the central government, the amount of manforce and the budget that was involved in carrying out this mammoth task?
You see, the entire money is coming from Government of India. Policy matters are coming from Government of India. There's great amount of help which we have got from Government of India. insofar as the state government is concerned, the entire state government machinery is being used for implementing the NRC. So whatever support that you can think of is there from either the central government or the state.